findIndex allows us to go through an array and inspect each element. And when that element meets a certain criteria, it'll give us the index of where that occurs. So let's go ahead and write a function that checks for some criteria. So what we have right here is a method, or a function I should say, that's going to go through each element and it's going to find the first index where it meets the criteria where the value is greater than 3. So it should be this one, right? Let's go ahead and check this. And we see 0, 1, 2, and then 3. This is correct. What if we wanted to change this value to say 90? It should get the last index in this array. And we see that is in fact true. This is how you use findIndex. If you like this, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Leave some comments below if you want more additional content. Check you all in the next video.